We're back.
What's up?
We're back, guys. We're back. We don't sleep. We keep working. But yeah, we're gonna be reacting to Russ Millions.
Never heard of him.
Uzi.
I guess it's Uzi Vert.
No.
Or it's someone else.
Or it's someone else.
Why would you have such a generic name?
Because they rap fast.
Nah, it's still whack.
Yeah, Jago.
I feel like it's gonna be a different language.
Durdum taksi dedim bas gaza. Böylece lispo takılmaz bana. Bekletme bu saatte kurulurum sana bra. Boynumda icy fevzi made it kumbara. Yapmadım trap yaptım hep para. Dişli bir rakip gösterin bana. Çizdim yol seni tıpkı mandala. Para kasada yani bankada. Türk işçiler yıldız hilal.
Okay.
I don't
I have no
understand the
idea
damn
what he's
thing,
saying, but
I'll go with the flow.
he's going in. There's no way you can be saying 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In like this, no. You'd be lying.
Glock orijinal yaşatır final. Dostlarım hızlı vallahi helal. 5 sene her gün oldum hep final. Akşam o kirli milli narkotik. İnternasyonel düşer tetik. Gelekler stil için.
I must say, drill has the most... it's the most uncreative beat making I've ever heard in my life.
Yeah.
It makes trap look like the fucking paragon of creativity. Drill beats are the worst beats ever. Because they have the exact same pattern and the exact same
Drops.
effects even on the 808s, the slides.
Çelik ama gel gör başında delik. Dolaştım sefil yoktu mettelik. 45 kilo yaptım efelik. Yürekler buz suratlar çizik yapan ölsün gram kahpelik. Hala çete bitmedi devam muhabbete.
Turkish flag.
Altınlar ayran cesarete. Baba ayıpta durur hep erkete. Hala çete bitmedi devam muhabbete.
I'm rich and fucking legit. Would have bun that prick, but he's getting me nicked. Love can, so I full up his clip. You know, so that gang stay bad and we're lit. Taking trips, I'll be back in a bit. The girl 2 tick, 1 boom off my dick. Convoy, pulls there's a gun in the whip. Make a man sit down like he's busting the shit. I got a buzz like I be high.
Let the man sit down like he's buzzing his shit.
Clip, you know, so that gang stay bad and we're lit. Taking trips, I'll be back in a bit. The girl 2 tick, 1 boom off my dick. Convoy, pulls there's a gun in the whip. Make a man sit down like he's busting the shit. I got a buzz like I be high. Gunshots, more ups like a 3-5. You know, I got Brody if he needs buying. Need a break quickly, fly to Dubai. Run my 10k, bring down a thick 5. Make her fall in love, make her get shy. I fuck 2 sisters, I'm a sick guy. Start to overthink when I get high.
That's not a good thing. Why the fuck would you fuck 2 sisters?
Fuck 2 sisters, overthink when I get high. It's because you're high, motherfucker. That's the beginning of a problem.
God is watching you, and your ancestors are watching you.
Man, I should start selling chains.
I love Steph London, I want beer. I see myself spoiling, see her. Scientists
Hey man, I
got a
hope
thing
you
for
get the
Maria.
smash.
More time I still got a crush on Aaliyah. Good to the Sala, hot gal Zara. Got my thing harder, hee ha ha. Good to the Sala.
He's flowing though.
Hot gal Zara, got my thing harder, hee I got a sexy Brazilian, only one for a man, rush million. One of a kind, so there ain't no equivalent. Christian, but she ain't so innocent. Cool, she knows that my thing's different. When it's that, I'm a real participant. With the killie, them moving militant. Evil icons, man stays vigilant.
Taksi dedim bas gaza. Böylece lispo takılmaz bana. Bekletme bu saatte kurulurum sana bra. Boynumda icy fevzi made it kumbara.
Okay. Guess it's a vibe. Yeah, it was good enough.
Everyone needs to talk about killing in these type of songs.
The problem with these things is that you guys don't back up your words with actions. Like, I want to see court cases. That's what I want to see. I want to see people going in court. I want to see you beating cases.
Because it dysfunction.
Like, show us that you are really about this life. Like, please, do something.
Kill your grandma. Life insurance. Okay, I'm joking because I know that some cops are gonna be seeing this in 10 years.
I am not
when,
gang.
When they find out that
I
my
am not
grandma
gang
died.
bang. I don't know, grandma.
See? This is
Still
how
broke. It wasn't me, obviously. It wasn't me.
But yeah, there was
Yeah, it was
Russ Millions
and Uzi,
International.
I think it's from Turkey or whatever. But yeah, anyway, it was a cool video. Yeah. Anyway, please like, subscribe, suggest any other video you would like us to react to. We will give you a shout out.
Shout out.
And watch all the other videos that we have. And don't forget to like all the other videos also. And share the links. Watch other videos with content coming out all the damn time. And stay tuned.